Good morning, everyone. This is the Chunky Jeweler, and I thought it's been about 9 days since I posted my last video, and I've got quite a few projects on the go, and I thought I'll just chuck this teaser out there just to let you guys know that I'm still creating, and next video would be coming soon. I'm busy with this massive signet ring with this shark insignia on the top of it, and this video I post is me midway attaching this shark to the signet ring, and obviously there's a huge process involved from start to finish, and it's quite a interesting one. So yeah, just a little teaser. Please like and subscribe, and so you'll be notified as soon as the video is active. So hope to see you soon, and yeah, have a good one. Keep creating. Chunky Jeweler out. Oh, one more thing. Maybe you guys would like to stick around till the end for a little cool effect that I'd like to show you guys with the ring. Right at the end, after soldering the shark on, I actually turned the lights off, and you can see how hot the ring actually gets and how it glows like a cherry red color. Just such an awesome effect. Yeah, maybe stick around, have a look, skip to the end if you want to. Yeah, just quite cool to see. Have a good one.
the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Don't be crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Don't be scared.